Over the last couple of years, the Indian banking sector has witnessed several episodes of banks going through financial upheaval to the point where depositors have been faced with the prospect of losing their savings. However, the Reserve Bank of India has ensured that matters do not go so far as commercial banks are concerned. From superseding the board of the beleaguered Yes Bank, a domestic private bank, in 2020 and organizing a bailout by SBI, the Indian banking regulator has ensured the depositor interest is protected to the greatest extent possible. Another instance of the RBI stepping in to prevent depositor losses was the central bank's decision in October 2020 to take over the similarly crisis-hit Lakshmi Vilas Bank and push through a merger with the Indian unit of Singapore's DBS Bank. While investors may have suffered losses, as was the case with the holders of Yes Bank's AT1 bonds, the RBI has clearly sought to prevent a widespread loss of deposits. In the case of cooperative banks, the regulator has made it very clear that it will not tolerate risk to depositor interest, especially after the debacle of the Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank. In the case of PMC Bank, however, while depositors who had parked up to 5 lakh rupees would be covered by the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation, those with a higher quantum would have to wait for 10 years to recover their savings and lose out on interest. In September 2021, the DICGC said that it had decided to pay depositors of 21 stressed cooperative banks a sum of 5 lakh rupees within 90 days. Over the last 2 months, the RBI has ordered the shutdown of 2 cooperative banks, the Karnataka-based Millat Cooperative Bank and the Maharashtra-based Rupee Cooperative Bank, citing a lack of sufficient capital. In both cases, the RBI said that the banks would be wound up and a liquidator appointed. Depositors of both Millat Cooperative Bank and Rupee Cooperative Bank would receive the full amount of the deposits from the DICGC, the RBI said. Earlier this month, the centre said the DICGC, wholly owned by the RBI, has ensured 49% of accessible deposits out of total bank deposits of 165 trillion rupees. From February 2020 onwards, the DICGC raised the insurance cover limit for depositors in insured banks to 5 lakh rupees from the earlier level of 1 lakh rupees per depositor.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
I am the blue of the limitless sky. I am the inspiration that lets success soar high. I will achieve, I will fly high. I am the I in SBI.
I'm backed by the nation's trusted bank, SBI, the banker to every Indian.